You can literally start earning digital currency of the future just by downloading this app. I drive to a separate place to work and I skate down into where my actual office is. That whole time from where I leave home to when I park my car and I get on the road and start skateboarding, I have the Coin app open the whole time and I'm earning digital currency the entire time. It's so easy. Have you ever downloaded an app before? It's literally the same exact process. It's a free app in the App Store. Download the app and press auto collect and you are literally earning wherever you go.
I basically have a long commute to work and I open the app and I leave it open and it collects coins for me. Yeah, I just have it open in my car and it collects for me. And that's it. It's not really a big change in my life. You just download the app in Apple Store and that's it. That's how easy it is.
The Coin app's great. It's so easy, user-friendly. You just click the button and off you go. It literally does the work for you. One press of the button. I've been able to travel around the world, have the opportunity to mine everywhere I go. On a mountain, on the bus, on the train. And it was just amazing. You can mine wherever you are on your phone. I grew up in Australia, but I'm in the States or Europe, wherever I go, I just take my phone with me, earning while I travel.
Coin is so easy to get started. You just download a free app, click auto collect and you're already collecting. When I'm driving Uber, I just put the app and I click it and then it just, collects coins as I drive around. It makes it seem easier and it makes it seem like everyone can do it.